Welcome you traders on my first video on my YouTube channel. As many of you know me very well, but let me introduce you myself for whom I'm totally new and the people who will be joining me my channel in my future. My name is Kishore Kumar Kanvaria and I am the co-founder of Bullrun. I have trading experience of more than couple of years. I'll be sharing you all my experience in trading and all my mistakes when I was totally new in trading, all my mistakes, what I used to do, and how calls I will be getting, and I was supposed to get calls from many people that we provide services and everything. I will be totally sharing all details. Okay. One request to you is please watch the video completely from start to the end so that you will be knowing each and every details. Okay. In this video, I will be sharing you all the details of patterns, my strategies, and how I used to take trade, and regarding where I used to keep stop loss. And as many of the clients have the problems that, sir, I don't understand your stop loss. How do you keep your stop loss as? So I will be explaining you each and every details about it. So let's watch. So let us come to the point. What all mistakes I made when I was a new trader, when I was a novice trader. I won't share my equity experience to you all, as equity don't have such patterns, don't have such strategies. But I will be sharing my options experience to you. When I was a new in options traders, I used to supposed to get many calls from advisory companies that we provide such services, that we provide such calls. We provide 5 to 7 calls per day, 95% accuracy, 98% accuracy. Some of the people used to say me that we provide 100% of accuracies. So I used to get their demo calls, and I used to get their calls, and few times I used to make profits too. So after making some profits from demo calls, they used to say us that you have to pay the nominal charges of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Some of them also say me that you have to pay per month charges of 5,000. So I used to give them 5,000. So this was my mistakes what I used to do. And after once I give them charges, I used to get losses too. I used to, because I don't have perfect setups, I don't have perfect patterns, and why they used to give the calls, they also don't used to say yes. So I was totally having a big question mark that why I am trading such activities with such firms. Okay. For after that, I used to get huge losses, so I quit trading for some times. I thought options is not that much good. What I was thinking. For after that, I quit trading. But after 2 to 3 months gap period, I used to get calls from PMS departments. They used to say us that we will be handling your account. If you put 1 lakh rupees, we will be daily providing you 10,000 profit, 20,000 profit. And that was totally encouraging me that we should give them capital, we should give them. So I borrowed from my native places, from my internal sources, and used to give them accounts. Startingly, they were used to provide me such profits, but after that, they used to provide me big losses. There was a one day I used to get loss of 65,000, and that was the ridiculous day for me. That was very dangerous day for me. I was sweating from my underarms and everything. It was very much dangerous day for me. After that, I used to call the advisory companies, PMS department companies. They were just ignoring my messages. They were ignoring my calls. Some of them have blocked me. So again, I quit options. And after that 2 to 3 months gap period, my brother, elder brother, used to supposed to say me that don't dependent on someone else. You should be learning options. You should be first learn and then you should trade. And that was the period. That was my turning point where I used to learn options. And now I have started my company and the Bull Run, as you all know that, and it is very good. And many of my clients are making profits. All my clients know me that why I am providing calls, and after that providing the calls to my clients, I always used to supposed to say them that what is the reason behind giving the calls and what is the powerful plan of. So let's join our PPT now. So I will be explaining you each and every details in my PPT now. So the reason why I take the entries, exit, where should be our stop loss, everything. Okay, where to set our targets. Now I will be explaining you in my PPT. Welcome you guys. Let me explain you the video content, that is PPT content. You have all gone through this personal information, that is personal information, my name, my qualification, my experience in trading, my mistakes in the market. I have explained you each and every details. I have explained you the market segment, in which market segment I usually deal. First I was an equity trader, now I am only an option buyer. Okay. I'm not an option seller, I am option buyer. Okay. Soon I will be making an video on rules and regulations of futures on options, as this is not that much important if you are an intraday trader. Next content is our per entry patterns and strategies. In this each and every details I will be explaining you about the basic information about the trading, how to be prepared before the market starts, importance level, what are the importance level, that is swing high, swing low, yesterday's high, yesterday's low, entry, about the reasons, stop loss, where to keep it, target, where to keep it, fake breakouts, market traps, everything I will be saying you. Okay. uh, okay, let's start with basic informations about the trading. Trading is just a simple part. If you take any trade, it doesn't mean that 100% you will be in profit. You can also come into the losses as per the market performs. You should be as per the market. As market performs, you have to be like that. If market goes down, you have to take entry accordingly. If market goes up, you have to take accordingly. If market performs in a sideways, you have to take accordingly trades. If market performs sideways, that is no moment, no big moments, you can't rely, you can't say that I need 100 points, I need 200 points entry. Accordingly you have to deal. Now, how to be prepared before the market start? You have to be prepared before the market start. I personally suggest everyone to get prepared 30 minutes, 45 minutes before the market start, as this is your self business. You are and self employed, so you have to work efficiently according to this. You're sitting at your home and doing business doesn't mean that you will be okay with everything. Market start by 9:13, you will be logging in your laptop by 9:13, 9:15, 9:20. You can't do that. You have to be in a professional manner. You have to mark all the importance level like that, uh, previous day high, previous day low, swing high, swing low, turning point, everything. Okay, now coming to the entry, stop loss, target, and fake breakouts and market trap. One of my favorite patterns. Okay, and the chart is 1st November 2012 21 Nifty Bank. Market open with a big green candle, gap up candle, and once the candle gets close, there is a big red candle here. Many traders have gone long on this candle. They would have taken entry here, okay, but the second candle only hit their stop loss. So this is not the right entry here. So we should wait for the right entry, and after the entry, after some times, there was an entry over here. It is a perfect entry. We can take entry here. We can take our target over here at day's low, okay, day's low, and we can keep our stop loss above the candle. So this is the perfect entry. Reason on this big perfect entry is that your stop loss is only this much, your take profit is this much. Complete 1:2 ratio. So this is the pattern you should always follow in trading. This is the pattern you should always follow in trading. This was the one entry, and after that I found second entry too. I found second entry over here. This is the right entry, second entry, when the day's high was broken. Entry was here, take profit was here, and stop loss was below the entry candle. Getting 1:2 ratio is also considered over here. If you lose, you will lose this much. If you win, you win this much. So this is the perfect entry you should always follow. Like, you should always, while trading, you should always consider 1:2 ratio, and this is known as a 1:2 ratio. While trading, you should always be FOMO-less. FOMO-less is fear of missing out. You should always be strong towards your emotions. Okay, if you lose this trade, doesn't mean that, oh no, the market is going down, the market is going up, I missed the trade, and taking trade over here. Imagine you take the trade here, okay, and you keep your stop loss here, because stop loss should have some support, and this is support. Current day high is the support, and keeping below the entry candle is the second support. So you have two supports. So this is the entry you should always wait for, okay, where stop loss should have some supports. If you take entry over here, here also there is a two support. There is such a red candle, okay, that means there are big trader active here. So they will make sure that market don't go up, okay. And second confirmation is this wick.
above the candle, such a big wick, that itself says that sellers are more active. So you can take entry here, you can take your target over here and keep your profit above the candle. So this is the second entry, this is the first entry, and this is the second entry. On 1st November 2021, you get two entries in Bank Nifty. One entry is this, one entry is this. Both are successful and both you make the profits. This is the second pattern, trade based on 20 EMA with pivot support. Okay, there was this, we get entry over here. Okay, this is the entry we should enter always. Okay, this is one of the powerful pattern which I have. Okay, we can take our entry over here, we can take our stop loss over below the central pivot, and we can book a profit at previous day low. Okay, this is one of the best entry I have, and I always used to post these entries. Okay, if you says that sir, this is also a nice entry, no, this is not the right entry. Okay, you can take an entry once this red candle is broken. Entry was here, stop loss was here, and you can book your profit over here or here. Okay, these are the two targets which you can keep. Okay, but I don't consider a nice entry over here, so I don't post this entry. Okay, so for me, nice entry is only here. Okay, took an entry here, keep stop loss above the central pivot. Okay, and take your profit at previous day high. Okay, this is your one entry. Okay, second entry was also here, same entry. There is a support of 20 EMA, there is a support of previous day low. Okay, so this is the entry you should always take. Take entry here, keep your profit stop loss above the red candle. Okay, and book your profit at next pivot. This is the entry, second entry here. Okay, so two entry you get in Nifty Bank on November 17, 2021, and both works. So this is how price action always works as. Okay, so these two entries were very good as comparatively to me, as so work accordingly. Sure. So this is Nifty 50's chart on 27th November 2021. This is yesterday's chart only, Friday charts. Okay, there was only one entry here I found that. Okay, this was only the perfect entry which I found. Okay, there was a huge gap up, gap down. Many traders said that we can take a short entry, we can take a short entry. Yes, this is high probability trade that you took this short entry, you can book your profit here, here, or here somewhere else. But there is no chance, it was a gap up, market can reverse also. Okay, so I found very much risky here to take an entry. Yes, I took entry here. Okay, for me this was the right entry. Okay, take entry here, keep stop loss above the candle. Okay, this was my entry candle, this is my stop loss. Okay, and my target was little later, it came here, all the way it came here. This is the entry, this is the stop loss, and we can book our profit over here. So this is the right entry which I found is. Okay, people also said that if you took entry here, our price came here, we were in the sun's profits. Okay, after that again the price went up. Not an issue, it's okay. You should always stick to your stop loss, whether it's hit your stop loss or not. Okay, look at the candles, again it came low, 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 and again it went back. Okay, and after that what happened? Sudden crash in the market. Okay, so trading is not the part that you should always wait, you should always wait, and when you took the entry, market should go and you should come here and you should book your profit. It doesn't mean that. Sometimes it happens that morning itself you took the entry and all the way it by 3:30 it gave your target, or sometimes it happens that it didn't give your target. Okay, so if you take such entry, you should always stick to your target. Don't exit before, don't exit later. Okay, once you book your entry here, you should be always stick that I will book my entry here only, I will book my profit here only. So this is how you should always perform in the market. Okay, as you should always make some rules, or you should always follow that rules in trading. Suppose you took entry here. Okay, you took entry here. Okay, and it came down. Okay, you exited over here. Sometime somewhere you exit over here, it came again, you took entry here. Okay, it came here, you exited here sometimes. Okay, it came here, you took entry here again. Okay, these are known as an aggressive entry. This is not the perfect pattern, this is not the perfect setup to take trades. Okay, perfect entry is only this, and taking profit only is this. This is the only pattern you should follow. Okay, this is only the pattern you should always follow while trading. This is Nifty 50's chart, and it is 27th November 2021. Okay, market previous day market fall with such a big fall. Okay, there was a big fall in the market, and after that market gap up. Okay, as previous day low was this. Okay, so market open with a gap up. Okay, there was a big bullish candle. Okay, so many traders have gone long over here, finding that, oh, such a big big green candle, market will go up, go up, go up. What happened then? What happened at the next moment? Okay, there was a big red candle. Okay, and many stop loss hits. Okay, after that also there was a small green candle. Okay, this green candle only because of many traders who took entry here, long entry here. What they did, they average out their entries. Okay, so this is why always novice traders always fails. Okay, but after that, if they hold it for long times, they might have got profit. Okay, as per the system, as per the pattern, perfect entry was here. Okay, as days low, this is the first candle, day's first candle. Okay, and this is day's by base. Okay, we should take entry here. Okay, we should take entry here below the below the green candle, entry candle. You should keep your stop loss. Okay, and take profit was here. Okay, so this is the perfect pattern which I always follow. Okay, I even posted this entry at my group also. I always whatever entry I show here, I always post that entry in my group. Okay, so entry was here, take profit was here, stop loss was below the entry candle. Okay, now this was the first entry. Okay, second entry was here. Okay, I also said that this entry is risky entry. Okay, as this is a parabolic move, so always ignore this kind of moves. But there was small consolidation here, there was small consolidation. Okay, so I suggested my traders to take entry over here. Okay, and entry here. Okay, keep stop loss below the green candle. Okay, but I also said that this is the risky entry here. Okay, when I make sure that this entry will work, I took perfect entry over here. I said everyone to take entry over here. Keep your stop loss below the red candle, below the entry candle. Okay, and take profit at next pivot. Okay, this is the best pattern. Okay, because this was the breakout. Okay, let me erase something. Okay, just wait. Okay, okay, fine. This was the breakout. Okay, after that small move, price again came down, price retest again, and then look at the move. Okay, so whenever you found such parabolic move, this is known as a parabolic move. Always wait for price to retest. Okay, and once the price is retest, take the entry and keep the profit at next pivot or next previous day high or previous day low, whatever you found it. Okay, so you should always wait. You should always wait for such double confirmation, and once this confirmation is done, you should take the entry. Okay, entry here was very good entry, keeping stop loss below that entry candle, and take profit was next pivot. Perfect risk reward ratio. This is 1:2 ratio. Okay, perfect 1:2 ratio. If we found technically, this can be 1:3 ratio itself. Okay, fine. So here trader, many of the traders used to say me that how to keep stop loss. This is the entry how I used to give in the group. Okay, this types of entry I give, that Nifty 17,200 PE entry at 118 or 1120. Okay, I don't used to provide target, or I don't used to provide you stop loss. Okay, whenever I found that the market is getting hitted in by stop loss, I used to say all my traders to exit from the trade. Or whenever I feel that we are very much close to our target, I always used to say my traders that book your profit and you can leave the market. Okay, you can leave the trade. Okay, so as per this pattern, I entered here 9:15. Okay, and this is the entry candle which I used to, this is the entry candle. Okay, this is the entry candle which I gave all my traders to enter. This was the entry candle. Okay, look at here 9:15. Okay, and this is also 9:15. Okay, so I gave my entry here and I said to purchase at 118 or 120. So this was the entry candle. Okay, After that, it does giving an entry is, it doesn't mean that when you give the entry your price should go up. Okay, it can come down. Okay, I gave entry at 120 or 118, it although came to 100. Okay, 20 point down it came, but after that it goes up. Okay, so in trading, many of the traders what they have did, if someone else have given this entry, what they have did, they have given entries to enter at 120 or 1118, and they have given stop loss of 100. Okay, okay, what that happened, if I have given entry here. Okay, if I have given entry here. Okay, if I have given entry here and I said that keep stop loss at 100, after 3 candles only your stop loss have been hit. So that is the reason only I don't provide the stop loss in numbers. Okay, numbers, I don't provide stop loss in numbers. No, this is not the perfect pattern. You should always keep your stop loss accordingly to the index. So this entry I have given, I gave the entry over here. Okay, or yes, I gave the entry here. Okay, you should always wait for the confirmation. Once the confirmation is done, enter the market. Okay, so this is the way you should always. Okay traders, this is Nifty 50s chart November 13, 2021. Okay, uh, here we can take entry over here as this CPR, whatever you see, this is a CPR and it is a virgin CPR. Virgin CPR. Okay, whenever you found such virgin CPR, okay, I will be making such videos on this topic also, that what is virgin CPR, what is CPR, what is this support system, what is this resistance systems. Okay, I will be making these videos on this. Okay, now this videos is only how I take trades, how I keep my target, how I keep my stop loss. Okay, what is the strategy behind every trade and everything. This video is only based on these topics only. This video is not based for what is virgin CPR, what are supports, what are resistance. Okay, I will be only explaining how I take trade, how I keep my stop loss, and where I keep my target and everything. Okay, so according to this virgin CPR pattern, one of my favorite pattern, trade based on virgin CPR reversal pattern and virgin CPR breakout pattern. This is virgin CPR, and after that look at the move. Market opened with a big dodgy candle, big bullish candle. Okay, made couple of green candles, and after that market start getting reversed perfectly from the point of virgin CPR central pivot point. Okay, we can take our entry here, keep our stop loss above the trade, and we can take our profit over here the previous day high. This is the perfect pattern which I found it. Okay, then second entry was based over here. Okay, once this virgin CPR is broken, okay, it is one of the best powerful entry. Okay, once this virgin CPR is broken, we can enter here. Okay, we can keep our stop loss below the candles entry candle, and we can take a profit above this pivot. Okay, coming pivot or 2 hour. Okay, so this is one of the best pattern. Okay, I found that, and I also posted this kinds of entries in my group also. I always found that this kinds of patterns are very powerful, and always gives you profits only. And this kinds of patterns gives you huge rally. Look at the big bounce in the market. Look at the big bounce. Okay, so entry here, keeping your stop loss below the candle and taking profit at next pivot is the best candle. Okay, so there was two entry in the Nifty also. One entry was here, it gave you profit. Second entry was here, it gives you profit. Okay, this kinds of pattern you should wait full day. Okay, and you should not take entry in the aggression that market is falling. Suppose you took entry here, suppose you took your entry over here, what happened immediately after this red candle? Okay, market getting started bounce. Okay, your stop loss would have hit. Okay, so you should always stick to your pattern, you should always stick to your formats, and according to this, perfect format was here and next format was here. Okay, so always stick to your formats, always stick to your patterns, always stick to your rules and regulations of trading, because this will be the only the patterns which you will be getting profit on based on. Okay, this is Nifty 50s chart of 9th November 2021. Market opened with a big red candle above the candle, above the CPR. This is CPR. Okay, and after that, once this red candle was broken, our entry was here. We can take our entry here, we can take our stop loss over here, and we can book our profit over here. But what happened? After few candles, market suddenly collapsed, market went down. Okay, so this is known as a trap trap from big traders. Okay, what they do, what they do, they make a such movement that all the novice trader think that market will go up, and as they control all the volumes, they do all short trades over there, and immediately all the novice trader stop loss get hits. Okay, so the people who don't know such trades, okay, what they do, they take this trade and their stop loss get hits, and they blame the market that this is not good markets and all and all. Okay, if I would have taken entry here, I know this is not the right entry, as look at the candle, such a big candle, green candle. So this is a parabolic trade. So if I post this trade, I will always say that only risky trade take the trade. Yes, after this, if the price would have come down again and show some bullish candles here, then I would have said that everyone enter here. Okay, because the price get retest over here. Okay, but no candles came to the retesting. Look at the collapse, final collapse, directly market falls down. So you should ignore such trades. Okay, I don't give this trade, even I don't take these trades. Okay, so this is not the right entry, and the whole day there was no good entry. Look here, there was not good entry, not even here, not even here, not even here, not even here. The full day it was not a good entry. Okay, I also posted this entry in my group also. So no entry in the Nifty, as morning high was broken, but that was an low probability upward movement, and majorly that movement are fake breakouts. So no entry in Nifty. Okay, I always used to post these videos and everything, or all these photos, everything in my group, so that all the novice traders should know why I took entry, why I keep my stop loss, where I keep my stop loss, where I keep my targets, everything. So it was not a good entry, not risk, no risk reward ratio was considered over here, so no entry on this Nifty charts. Okay, so this is Nifty Bank. Okay, and it is 13th November 2021. Market open with a market open with gap up, a red candle. Okay, this was not the right entry, as big wicket top, big wicket top low. Okay, so no entry was found over here. I was just waiting for the entry, good entry, and full market came to the end. I didn't got any entry. I finally got entry over here, and this was very low probability trade, as look at the wig. This wig is also considered. Okay, so we can't take this entry, we can't take this entry accordingly. Okay, so this was, there was no entry, but yes, I took entry here, but it hit our stop loss. Okay, entry was here, stop loss was here, and this candle only stop loss hit our stop loss. So no perfect risk reward ratio, as for this is your risk, this is your reward. So I don't found this entry as perfect entry, but then too I took entry here, as the whole day I was just waiting for the trade, but I didn't got any trade. I thought it is a ending day, so most of the time ending day gives you the big moves, so I thought this can also give you the big move. So trading is just a psychology, it may or may not give you the move, but I took trade over here, it has stop loss, so it's okay, I'm fine, I'm fine. Sure, let's wait for the second entry. Next chart, what I have posted the trades, let's wait. This is Nifty 50s chart. This is Nifty 50s chart on November 16th 2021. Okay, market opened with a big red candle. Okay, downly, but there was a virgin CPR, as always I used to say, virgin CPR act as a support. So look at the consolidation, look at the consolidation. Okay, so perfect entry was here, but I didn't give this entry, as I know there might be some issues in the trading, as 20 EMA and moving average both are very far from the trade. So this was not the entry, entry was perfect over here. Okay, when moving average and 20 EMA as well as virgin CPR and bullish candles, okay, all these three confirmations came here, and finally look, nice move. Okay, entry was here, stop loss was below the candle, and take profit was here. So this was the candle which I found that it is a good entry. So I gave this entry. The whole day I was just waiting for the entries, but I didn't found any entries. Okay, so I only post this entry as I found this entry in a perfect matter. Okay, so I post only this entry. My entry was somewhere here. My stop loss was below the candles. Okay, and take profit was at the CPR, current day CPR. Traders, now coming to the fourth content of the video, that is group informations and account handling services. Okay, as you all know, my group name is the Bull Run. Okay, if you like to join our channel, you can join the channel from the below video link, where I will be providing you full support system before, during and after the market. Many of the clients come to me and they used to supposed to say, ask me the question, sir, we are stuck to in such stocks, we are suffering from huge losses, so navigate us, what to do, what should we do, is stock very good, is option is very good, what should we do, should we trade in options, should we trade in equities, what we can do, everything. Many of the clients come to me. I personally answer my questions. I personally answer the questions asked from the clients. Okay, I provide stock recommendations and holdings calls for the options also, as I am not a too big fan of holdings options, but where I hold when there is a breakout. If I found that there is a breakout, then only I take entry here. Okay, so that there is a passive move. So these kinds of option move only I take options holding calls, and I also give to my clients also. Secondly, after that, after market services, every day after the market gets over, there is a question answers rounds with the clients. Clients can ask their questions regarding the trades, regarding their markets and everything, whatever they like. Okay, and I used to answer them. So let us see the clients. Okay, okay. This is a directional based trade, guys. Directional information about the market. Sometimes it happens that market only stays sideways throughout the day. Okay, at this day, what happened? Small traders used to get losses. What they do? They go long here, they stop loss it. They go short here, they stop loss it. They go long here, they stop loss it. So this is the way. This is the zone where many traders lose their capital. Okay, so morning itself only I used to supposed to say my all traders that today is sideways day, so please make sure that you don't trade in for the big movement. So we don't need to book a big movement. I always used to make sure that all my clients, whenever in the sideways trades, book small points only. I always used to say my clients. So this is the direction information given to my clients, and they are very much pretty happy about it. Secondly, detailed information about the trade after posting in the group. Whenever I used to take any trade here, suppose I have taken trade here, so why I took trade here, that this is Virgin CPR pattern, this is Virgin CPR pattern. I used to suppose to post my entry over here, okay, where I took entry, and I used to post that I used to show my all clients that why I took entry here, what was the purpose behind it. Okay, only the level I was waiting for, the level comes in the bullish candles, and from here bank nifty can go up, and same day bank nifty was very good move, gave very good move that day. If you just look this moment. Okay, so it was a good day. My all maximum traders book maximum profits too. It was a money double trade. So this kinds of entries and this kinds of pictures I used to provide to my clients. I said my clients to enter at 130, 135, although it went 300 plus, I think so, yes, and many of the clients have booked profit and they were very much happy on this day. Okay, okay. After market questions answers rounds with the traders, as I said, every day I used to post this photo. I used to post this text, and every client used to ask me the questions while clicking on this link. They used to ask me the frequently asked question that what was the reason behind this stop loss, what was the reason behind this trade, everything. I used to post this image every day, and maximum traders used to post to ask me these questions, what was the reason behind the trades and everything. So this is what traders I just need to say you. Okay, and thank you, have a happy trading life. Hope you enjoyed the videos, and if any questions regarding trading and investment, you can directly contact us, you can mail me, you can personally contact me, so that I will help you. Okay, sure. Thank you.